What's up, brothers and sisters?
Oh my God! What is that?
What's good with it? Hey, y'all like and subscribe. Check out my Instagram and Twitter when you get a chance in the description below. We got some Coryxkenshin action, y'all. We got Try Not to Laugh challenge reacting to Amazon. That's all I know. So let's see. Maybe it's Amazon products. Maybe it's people at Amazon. I don't really know. The warehouse workers. Something like that. I don't know. But hey, y'all know what time it is when we pull up to the crib. Let's get it.
Got him. Red got him.
Alexa, how many teaspoons are in a tablespoon?
4.
Alexa,
What happened?
Substitute scroll Coryxkenshin and welcome.
All right.
Me reacting to Amazon Coryxkenshin. This whole Amazon Echo thing was a trend.
Oh, okay.
Okay. But apparently, somebody made a Coryxkenshin version and asked me to react to it. So let's get it popping.
When it first
A Coryxkenshin version.
Hold up. Shout out to Tory Games. I don't know if you uploaded this first, but it's a couple of them uploaded, so I don't know who did it first.
When it first arrived from Amazon, I didn't know what it was.
Let's go! You'll see.
Is it for me?
It's his voice.
It's called Amazon. I'm just finishing up right now.
Is it on?
Oh, it's always on.
Can it hear me right now?
Nope. It only hears you when you use the wake word we chose.
Coryxkenshin.
Well, what does it do?
Coryxkenshin.
What do you do?
All right, you ready for them juke skills? Ooh! Barry Sanders!
awesome.
Classic.
Alexa, play rock music.
It's the show guy, Coryxkenshin.
Y'all stupid, bro.
Listen.
Yeah.
Alexa, what time is it?
Time to turn it.
You actually don't have to yell at it, okay?
You don't have to yell at it?
We got some
So it can
jams,
hear you
man.
from anywhere in the room. It updates using the cloud. That's also how it gets its answers.
Just read that off the box, Tom.
Dad really likes the Echo just plugs in, so we never have to charge it. Plus, Echo's really good at keeping track of things like shopping and to-do lists.
Paper. Alexa, add wrapping paper to the shopping list.
Got him. Red got him.
Alexa, how many teaspoons are in a tablespoon?
4.
Got him. This is so stupid. Who made this? They really spent the time on it.
Yo, who edited this, man?
The same exact question. I have not watched this at all.
Where's that back?
Got him.
Red got him.
Alexa, how many teaspoons are in a tablespoon?
4.
Alexa, set a timer for 8 minutes.
I got you.
Dad's not a morning person, but Echo definitely helps him wake up.
Get up.
Bro, this is so stupid, though. If someone made one of me like that, I would definitely be laughing my ass off, too, though. Like, I don't remember saying half the stuff I be saying, but then y'all got it in the video. It's like, well, obviously I said it at some point.
Imagine if that was over.
Get up. Oh, man.
Imagine if that was your alarm clock. Hold on. I'm crying, bro. Yo,
It probably would scare the hell out of me.
masterful. Master level edits. Hold up.
You say master level.
Guys,
S tier edits.
look at the tears. Look at the tears.
Yo, he's really laughing.
Yo, I see why y'all wanted me to watch this. I got you.
Dad's not a morning person, but Echo definitely helps him wake up.
Get up. Get up.
The screen makes it way worse.
Yo,
You would jump out of the bed.
Alarm clock, I'm throwing it in the trash. Yo, oh my gosh. These edits.
Alarm off.
You gotta get up.
Oh, it's Saturday.
Alexa, what day is it?
Friday the 13th.
He's making me laugh. I feel like I make it through this without laughing.
There's always something that fits. Yo, I mean, we do got 1,000 videos, but Tori, did you have to go through like every video to find an answer for these questions? Oh my gosh, I don't even want to know how long that took.
I was just about to say, I wonder how long that took. Probably for like 6 months maybe. Grind mode, watching these videos.
Alexa, give me my flash news briefing.
What did the dog say after a long day of work?
What?
Today was rough. Get it? Get it?
Yeah, I get it.
Wow.
Another one.
Alexa, tell me another joke.
No, look at this one.
Sometimes
Ah.
it helps out when you least expect it.
Hey, Dad, how do you spell cantaloupe?
Cantaloupe. C-A-N-T. Alexa, how do you spell cantaloupe?
Oh my guys, hold on. P-R-A-C. No. T. Just no. I-C-E. Nice.
Echo loves to play
No.
music and knows a lot of songs, and they always sound great.
Alexa, play my dance mix.
Hey, you can't go wrong with that one. You can't go wrong with that one.
Alexa, define annoying.
Wow.
And with
Y'all
the companion
taking my
app,
boy.
you can access Echo from anywhere.
That's messed up. You can't go wrong with that one.
Dancing to this? Hey, let's get it. That's the whole thing. Bro, that was.
I'm making the trash.
what the alarm
I missed. All right, I tried though. I tried it. That's all that matters.
The alarm clock killed me, dude.
That was the funniest one.
It's like, get up. Like,
The alarm clock was the funniest one for sure.
Get up. Get
Hands
up.
down. Hands down.
Then there's another Coryxkenshin one. Hold on. Let's see what this one is.
Buzz.
This was by Craft Indo
We'll
Games.
see.
Is it for me?
It's for everyone. It's called Amazon Echo.
How's it going?
I'm just finishing up right now.
Is it on?
Oh, it's always on.
Can it hear me right now?
Nope, it only hears you when you use the wake word we chose. Alexa.
Well, what does it do?
Alexa, what do you do?
I could flirt. Like, look at this girl right here. Hey, what's good, girl? She liked it.
Look, I'm being honest.
Oh man.
Alexa, play
What?
Roxy's.
Rotten movie.
Can't,
In New York, I really walk.
Yeah.
That's that.
Alexa, what time is it?
Who are you? Before I open.
Yell at it. Okay, it uses far.
I did.
don't yell at me. Who are you? The dad had to check her ass. Hey, don't yell at my Coryxkenshin Amazon thing.
Sucker, who is you? Hold on,
You say don't yell at it?
Wait, I want to try. Alexa, what time is it?
Who is you?
You actually don't have to yell at it. Okay, it uses far field technology so it can hear you from anywhere in the room.
So I can just hear you anywhere?
Yes. Well, everyone can hear you anyway.
Oh. Is that where we're going to put it?
I was thinking of putting it there, but it works anywhere.
Echo is pretty neat because it knows all sorts of things. All you
So
have
who
to
are
do is
you?
ask.
Alexa, how tall is Mount?
It knows so much. It's
What?
so small.
It updates using the cloud. That's also how it gets its answers.
Just read that off the box, huh? Dad really likes that Echo just plugs in, so we never have to charge it. Plus, Echo's really good at keeping track of things like shopping and to-do lists.
Alexa, add wrapping paper to the shopping list.
So stupid.
Alexa,
Gosh, this one was nice in the beginning. I don't know what the freak happened.
Yeah.
All right, last one. This one is by Ava.
I didn't know what it was. What is it?
You'll see.
First one was definitely the funniest one so far.
Is it
Hands
for me?
down.
Y'all
It's
are
for everyone.
goats for
It's
making
called Amazon Echo.
how's it going?
I'm just finishing up right now.
Is it on?
Oh, it's always on.
Can it hear me right now?
Nope.
It's always on.
Use the wake word we chose.
Coryxkenshin.
Well, what does it do?
Coryxkenshin.
What do you do?
I can flirt. Like, look at this girl right here. Hey, what's good, girl? Whoa,
We-
whoa. She liked
We
it.
already did this one. He already.
Coryxkenshin.
Play rock music.
Okay, so this one is like a mashup of the two we just watched.
Yeah, that's what it's looking like.
Hey guys, I upload daily, sucker. You better delete it. That's right.
Sometimes Echo helps out when you least expect it.
Hey, Dad, how do you spell cantaloupe?
Cantaloupe. C-A-N-T.
Coryxkenshin.
How do you spell cantaloupe?
P-R. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, they just.
First of all,
First one was the
y'all are
funniest
some
one.
goats. I literally got the best I got the best squad on YouTube. Like,
Easily.
y'all made me cry laughing. Like, with my own stuff.
Would you buy a Coryxkenshin Amazon Echo? I definitely would. Not the alarm clock part though. We got to edit that out
Wow.
or do something else with that one. Because if I have to wake up in the morning, 6 in the morning, to go to work, and I'm getting yelled at to get up, we gonna have a problem. Everybody gonna have a problem. Long day for everybody. Y'all like and subscribe. Y'all let me know what y'all think of the video. Comment down below what y'all think. Would you buy Amazon Coryxkenshin? Would you buy Amazon Lorenzo bands? Y'all let me know what's up with it. I'm out. Adios, sayonara. See you later.